Go. Alright, what's up everybody? So today on my way to go and get some ball joints for the bakkie. So we gotta kick it all the way to Mandarin Spares. Thought I'd take you guys with me again today. Let's go get some car parts. Alright, so quick update everybody. Turns out your boy was stupid. Didn't check. Turns out the place is closed. So now I'm heading back to East West Spares and see if they got the parts I need. Alright, let's go. We'll be working on ball joints in the bakkie. A little Quasimodo over here. Gonna get it all set up for you guys and put you guys on a time lapse once again, and we'll get started on that. Let's go. Come and check this out. Thank you. Look at this thing. This thing is completely busted. This thing shouldn't even be sitting like this. But yeah, let's get cracking on and get this ball joint changed out. Let's go. Alright guys, so usually I would have recorded the whole thing, but this thing frustrated me. Took me a couple of days. So this is the downfall of not being a mechanic and not knowing what you're doing. Alright, so as you can see, I replaced the stabilizer links and we got the new ball joint fitted. Once again, sorry I didn't record that finish, but I got the link this side, and if we go around you'll see I got it in there as well. So new stabilizer links fitted, new ball joints done, and we're finally done. I am dirty from head to toe. I mean just look at this. I am filthy. Now I'm finally done with this, but was productive and I've learned something, so kudos on that. But yeah, I guess we'll end the vlog here today, and upcoming vlog we'll be putting some new tires to Quasimodo over here. But yeah, please like, please subscribe, peace out people, catch you in the next one.